Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can remove alternate email address from your Gmail account. Okay, so if you have any other alternative email address in your Gmail account which you use for login with your account, so you can remove it. I will show you the step by step process. So let's start the video. Okay, so first come to the your Chrome browser and just log in with your account. Okay, and here just click on this profile icon and go to the manage your Google account. Okay, just click on it. Now here at your left side here there's some option sidebar. You can see you need to click on this personal info option. Just click on it. Okay, once you click, you can see here some your details, all like your name, your email address and phone number. Okay, so we need to click on this email address option. Just click on it. Okay, so once you click, you can see all your details like your Google account email address, your recovery email address and the contact email. Okay, so we need to go in these alternative emails. If you have your alternative email here, you can see the email address. You need to just click on it and you can delete from there. Okay, easily. Okay, if you first time log in your account for alternative to delete your alternative account email address, so you need to first put your current password, then it will be proceed to delete. Okay, so once you click on this alternative email options on the email, you need to put the password and then you can delete your alternative email address from your Gmail account. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.